You can start with just one click, and in that same one click, your entire story converts into an image album. Yes, guys, you heard that right. As a content creator or a storyteller, you have probably faced this problem. Your script is ready, your scenes are planned, but every single scene you are manually generating the images. Now think about this. If you are creating an 8 minutes video, you will need at least 50 to 60 images. And if you are producing content regularly, this process becomes extremely time consuming. And after spending a couple of days in research, I got a proven solution. So hello everyone, welcome to Friends with AI. Here we learn AI tools in simplest way. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on which tool to use, how to structure your prompt, and how to generate bulk image in one single run. So whether you are a beginner or already using AI tools, this method will save you hours of work and speed up your entire content creation process. So make sure to watch the video till the end because it's worth. So guys, we will be generating a whole story image scene in this video. So for that we need a master prompt. As you can see, I already have one master prompt and you can find this file link in the video description. So you can download that file and you can continue with me. So simply I'll copy the prompt and I'll paste it in the chat GPT and you do the same. As you can see, ChatGPT started generating the whole story and the character. So simply I'll copy the result and paste it in our file. Our character and the scene prompt both are ready. So to generate the image, we'll be using Google Whisk. So in Whisk, we'll simply paste our first character prompt and we'll hit the generate. As you can see, our first character is ready and I'll simply download our first character. Now we'll paste our second character prompt. So our second character is also ready. And now I'll paste our third character prompt. And our third character is also ready. So guys, we got our 3 characters ready. And these are the main subject of our scene. And throughout the story, we need consistent image of those characters. And to do that, I will assign those characters as subject. As you can see in the left panel, and I will upload our 3 characters one by one. As you can see, our subjects are ready. Guys, if you haven't liked the video, please like it because it means a lot, and subscribe the channel for more content like this. Now we'll open Google and search Auto Whisk extension and we'll click the first link and we'll add this extension in our Chrome browser. As you can see, it is added in our Chrome and we'll come to Google Whisk again, and from the extension we'll open the Auto Whisk extension. Initially you will get a different language, and from the language section we'll select the English, and out of 3 version 7.5.1 DOM is the best and we'll select that version. Now we'll open our script file and we'll copy our whole 10 scenes. Here one thing I would like to mention guys, while pasting your prompt, make sure that each prompt is written as a single paragraph. There should not be extra gap or line breaks within a prompt. Actually, Auto Whisk treats one paragraph as one prompt. So after completing one prompt, leave one clear line gap and then paste the next prompt. And keep this structure consistent to ensure Auto Whisk reads and process each prompt correctly. This is very important, so always keep it in mind while pasting your prompts, and that's why I did not add any extra heading for the scene, as you can see. So I'll simply the whole 10 scenes prompt and I'll paste it in auto whisk and I will hit the start button and run on this project. As you can see guys, it started generating images one by one. And guys, it will download all the images automatically. Even it will create a dedicated folder in your PC, and inside that folder it will download all the images. So yes guys, it has generated all the 10 scenes as per our prompt. Images are very detailed and characters are very consistent. So that's the complete process to generate bulk images in just one click. If you found this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are interested in AI and content creation, and let me know your thought in the comments and tell me what kind of videos you want to see next. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for the more practical AI tutorial. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.